I know it's giving color purple, but not for long. I'm hoping. Long story short, I've decided to get a VPartWig. I don't want my hair soaking wet, but see, we need her a little bit more hydrated. So what we're gonna do, how I'm styling it first, let's just prep the hair first. My main thing is making sure, like, right at the front where my hair is gonna be, the roots are somewhat decent. Let me know if y'all ever tried a VPartWig before, because this is actually my first time doing curly, no leave out. You do the hair in 4 parts, and that's what I like, because I'm not gonna be, first of all, my hair looks really cute like this, actually. But we're going just like this. Making sure she's hydrated. And let's do 4 braids. And they don't have to be perfect. They just need to be braided or twist. You can twist them down too. You just need something to where your hair not just puffy and it's somewhat managed. So that our hair is not all tangled and matted and dry. So I always just like to do cute little big twists, because especially since I'm doing like no leave out and it's curly hair, you know, big hair don't care. That's what we're doing. I saw this one girl, she put her braid, she like left like this for a braid and then she did that, but we don't need to do all that because I'm gonna leave like some root, because I don't like the super tight look. Like, I don't want it to look like Moses parted the Red Sea, so I want it to look really like natural. That's my whole point. So then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So we did like a low braid on one side, and now I'm trying to do this one. Let me show y'all what it looked like. So we're just gonna take this, bring that in like that, and I'm gonna tuck it, okay? Because I don't like a whole bunch of bobby pins in my head. I'm gonna take this, crisscross, and so get the top, kind of really try to pull it down to where it can get flat. So we're gonna twist this like so. Ooh. Then we go. And then we should be able to just tuck. Yep. You see? Never seen this one before. I ain't never been with a buddy. Y'all think this is a thinner wig cap? It look real see-through. Save it for an actual wig, but that's okay. So then I saw them, they like started the wig mid-head. But this is what it looked like. It looks whenever I first took it off the bag, it was really cute, but I kind of just been throwing it around, so that's on me. So look at it. Actually, so I washed this wig and then I threw it back in a bag, because I'm gonna get it like close enough, because I don't like it all spaced out like this. So I'm gonna I like to tuck the back in case the wind want to be windy, okay? And then they have side ones. We'll see how long they last on the side, because, so you see that? So just from here, I think we can do this. So I'm just gonna clip it and clip it. Now this is really close to the front of my head, but it makes it look so natural. Y'all see this? I'm literally getting it and clipping it right there. Then I'm getting it front, putting it as close to the edge as I can, because I just feel like it just looks more natural like that, right? For the part that I don't know how to do. And let's just hope for the best at this point. Now I have no idea like how to do the crochet. What was confusing me at first is trying to figure out where am I putting the needle thing, but it made a lot of sense. Basically, you're gonna put the needle where you want the hair to go through versus trying to grab the hair first, because that's exactly what I was doing. Shut up. Shut up. Now, why did I pull from afar? I don't know, but let's try it again. Okay, I'm gonna pull one from closer. Ooh. and then just pull it down. I know you lying. Are you serious right now? Do y'all see this scalp? Do y'all see my scalp right now? Putting it one here. Y'all never gonna see my real hair ever again, ever. Pulling that up, pulling a little part from the side here, and I'm just gonna pull it down. Wow, 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 wow. Let's do it again. Girl, we gonna have so much fun with this wig. So first I had it on the bottom. On top of the hook, close the hook. Close it down. Bring it around town. I am in love because this looks so real. And I only did like 2 little crochet tug and pulls. You see? Literally. Can y'all see this? I'm left-handed. Put the hook through the hair and bring it all the way up, because that's what I was messing up on. Make sure that your hair is not below the hook. Bring it to where it is like the hook. Bring it to where it's sitting in there. Close it and then snatch it down. Wow. I'm a professional now, I guess. Make sure that your hair is like damp too, because my hair look a little crusty and dry, and it's not as sheeny as the other hair. Low-key, high-key? Do I need to put something? Do I need to crochet on my edges? The wind shouldn't be winding like that. But y'all know me, I'm iconic for some bobby pins. I feel like I need to bobby pin like the back of it, or actually I feel like I need to tighten it. Can you see the scalp that's scalping from my scalp right now? And I didn't even get it! I love this stuff, but it might weigh it down a little bit. So we're gonna get this because this has the leave-in in it. So I'm gonna use my water leave-in, and then the first one that I grabbed. I used to use a lot of African Pride actually, but here we are. Y'all, this is crazy how real this look. Like, this is really crazy. So I don't know, as we wait, as I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, and then we're gonna maybe put a little band on it or something. Shout out to this is my favorite edge control, y'all. Favorite, so let's just dampen her a little bit. Just dampen her. Shout out to the new edge control brush that I have. It's actually clean. Favorite edge control. I have a headband, like, I call it my edge slayer, okay? It's gonna slay them edges. Their wig, it was a red one. It was cute. I've seen people do it several ways. I don't feel like I necessarily have to use a dimming brush, but because I'm just ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I am gonna try it. So this is also, like I said, it has water and leave-in because I love the way it smells. Ooh, that stuff smells so good. Gonna get my dimming. It like stretched. Y'all see it? don't cut my hair, but none of it is out. So I saw people going like, well, they kind of was like cutting down. Let me just. I don't know what I just did. Like, you don't cut, but you kind of cut. You cut a little bit. You don't cut all the way. Like, this type of hair dries really fast, so I'm gonna finish everything that I needed to do. We feel like we need to cut the ends, and my hair kind of feels sticky now. But I feel like with the ends, I don't know. Okay, I'm doing too much. I'll just finish and then we're done. I don't feel like these curls are they don't look super defined. So I think I'm gonna ask for my leave-in. What was this? Sets, holds, adds, shines to natural curls. I don't know, it's curling mousse. Okay. As we keep playing with it, I just want to see what the edge is looking like. But it looks so natural. Oh my I feel like I cut it weird, so now we just have to follow through. Do you see what I see? Wow! All right, I'm gonna leave it on and let it dry. So yeah, I'm just saying this. Okay, that's all, folks. This is really curly too. This actually looks like my hair. My hair be looking like a wet poodle. Period, poo. Let me know what y'all think. And this wig was not expensive. I'm gonna put it in the description because I don't remember. But it was not expensive because I was like, I just want to try it. I'm wearing my hair like this to Hawaii. It's happening. I'm wearing my hair like this. I'm gonna get long. Yes! Yes, queen, yes! I could add some more. I'm gonna bring my little crochet, put it in my pocket. But just look, y'all. It's giving scalp, ain't it? It is giving scalp, ain't it? It's giving scalp, ain't it? It's giving scalp. All right, y'all. It's all right. I am so excited. I'll see you. Positive. Peace. Love. And bye.